If you're using Viagra or are about to use Viagra for the first time, there's a specific side effect that you should be aware of. This side effect would be a partial or full erection lasting for greater than 4 hours, and it could happen after sexual activity or without any sexual activity whatsoever. There are two types of priapism, one being ischemic and one being non-ischemic. If you were to have ischemic priapism, that would be considered a medical emergency. Now, I should mention that when people use Viagra as directed by their physician, just using it once every 24 hours as directed, they typically do not experience priapism, as this is very rare. However, some people use Viagra, for example, with other medications that can be used to produce an erection, and this is when people can sometimes get into some trouble. So what causes priapism? So in a basic sense, priapism is caused when blood enters the penis and blood is not able to exit the penis. If this was to occur for greater than 4 hours, you would want to seek medical attention. The cause of priapism may be an injury to genitals, or it could also be caused by an underlying blood disorder. Now, as I mentioned, if you do have a prolonged erection for greater than 4 hours, you should seek medical attention. But if it's an hour in and you're suspecting priapism, you can actually try using ice packs applied to the penis to see if it will decrease the erection. If you do seek medical attention, there's a chance that you could undergo surgical ligation or tying off of the artery that is responsible for the priapism. Now, it is very important to seek that medical attention after the 4-hour mark, because if this is left untreated for 24 hours, it can actually cause erectile dysfunction. So remember, the best thing you can do to avoid experiencing priapism or a prolonged erection greater than 4 hours is to take your medication as directed by your physician and try not to use a dose of Viagra more than once every 24 hours. Anyway, that's all we're going to talk about today with this short video on priapism. Just a quick fact I wanted to bring to your attention if you're using Viagra, as it is really important to be aware of this, just to make sure that you do seek medical attention in those situations when it's necessary. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and want to help grow the channel, remember you can like the videos, share the videos, most importantly subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.